Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of finding a Facebook user's location based on the information provided in their profile. This can be done using the Facebook app or the Facebook Lite app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Lite app or the main Facebook app on your device. You can also use a browser like Chrome to access Facebook if you prefer. Once you are on Facebook, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the name of the person you want to find. For example, let's type a name like Tom. After typing the name, press Enter or tap the search icon. You will see a list of results based on the name you searched for. These results might include profiles, pages, or other types of content. To narrow down your search, look for the People option in the top menu. Tap on People to refine your results to only include user profiles. Now that you're on the People tab, you will notice additional filter options such as City, Education, Work, and Friends. To locate someone based on their location, select the City filter. Tap on the City option and a location search bar will appear. In the location bar, type the name of the city or region where you believe the person may be located. For instance, type London and then press Enter. Facebook will display profiles of people named Tom who have mentioned London in their profiles. If no results appear for the entered name and location, try another name or adjust the location. For example, you can try typing Davide in the name search and London in the city filter. If there are users matching the name and location you entered, their profiles will appear in the search results. This method works for profiles where users have included location details in their bio or other visible information. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of this method depends on the privacy settings of the individual's profile. If they have not shared their location publicly, their profile will not appear in location-based search results. Once you have found the person you are looking for, you can view their profile for additional details, depending on their privacy settings. That concludes this tutorial on how to find a Facebook user's location using the search filters. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.